Hello everybody, and this is day one of the end of my life. I'm lost out here. I wasn't more. I still have my guns, my pistol, but nobody else. It's just me. Every night I hear footsteps, hoping the enemy doesn't come and slit my throat. No, okay, look. A shot just whizzed over my head. They do this all the time. Nothing happens to me, but if anything does happen, I got my rifle. I'm ready to shoot. I think I hear something. I like to sit right about here. Just pick them off one by one. Everyone's comes. Got one. Okay, I got another one. You still don't see me. I have to put this over my head so that they don't see me. This is where I live, in a dirt pile full of all these rock things that I've never seen before. I just wish I could go back to my family. Okay, this is day 2 of my entries of the end of my life. The Japanese, they're not coming yet. I don't see me coming through there. But it's a pretty hard life. So, okay, it's the middle of the day, and I have nothing to eat. Since I'm scattered out here in these woods, I think I'm gonna have to go find something to eat. I see a snake right there. I'm gonna get him. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. Let me go get him. Okay, I've got my food for tonight. Just scoot my dirt over. There it is. I better stay down there. Probably gonna hear all this, so better eat this. Okay, it's night on here. Just cover myself with this blanket that I found. Woohoo! Take off the dirt. Maybe then you could see better. Okay. Still haven't eaten this thing. I better hurry up and eat. Oh, crap. God, here comes some more. Hold on a second. God. Dang it. I only see one right now. Okay. Wait, one more. Okay, bye. Hello everybody, this is day 4? No, it's day 3. Yeah, I think it's day 3. Day 3 at the end of my life. And I found a sniper. It's in 2 parts. It's really cool. There's one part of it, and there's the other. Let me show you what it looks like with both parts on. Big enough for this one. Sneaking up on me, sleeping space. And here it is. fully loaded now. Oh, God dang it! I see me moving the sniper. I better get down. Dang. Oh no. Space. Okay. Okay. It's better with my feet up there on the other part of it. It also comes with a detachable scope. I better tone down the moving. Nazis might find me. It's quiet out here in Berlin. Sometimes you hear TV. Those are the dead spirits. Sometimes they really get on my nerves. No. They're attacking me. They're throwing grenades. They're shooting machine guns. Everything they got. Silenced weapons. That's it. My camera. Hello. Hello. My daughter. My wife. Even my dog. Really is the end.